This tool right here is a rotary hammer. And I gotta tell you this, it cuts through concrete like it was butter. It's like a hammer drill on steroids. Now, there's some tasks around the house that just the hammer drill is just not gonna handle. I'm gonna show you how to use it and how I used it in the outdoor kitchen and some of the issues we encountered. Coming up next. Today, I'm working in the outside kitchen and I encountered a problem that only a rotary hammer could solve. What it is this. It's this little concrete ledge here. It needs to be cut out because otherwise the cabinets are not going to rest flush up against the wall. So the thing is, that's got to go. And the only way to get rid of that is to use a roto hammer. So why not use a hammer drill instead of a rotary hammer? Well, here's why. Here's what makes a hammer drill different than a rotary hammer. Number one, it's how the bits go in the chuck. Now what this has is it has a chuck with a 3-jaw system. And you take that drill bit and you insert the shaft into the drill, tighten it up, and then take a, chuck key and tighten those jaws around the shaft of the bit. Whereas with the rotary hammer, you pull back that collar, insert and twist the bit, and it's locked in. A rotary hammer is going to also give you more choices when it comes to bits. Here we have a flat chisel, a bull chisel, and masonry twist bits. They're called SDS bits. And if you notice, they're straight, but there's a little indentation, which allows you to install the bit really easily by inserting it and twisting the bit, and then it's just as easy to remove the bit. Now a hammer drill, it's only got a couple functions, and that is it bores holes, and it also hammers while it bores holes. That's really about it. Whereas a rotary hammer is an incredibly powerful tool that not only bores holes as it hammers, but it has a third function, and that is it chisels as well. Now, another difference is this port right here. This right here is called a grease port. Take a wrench like this, and now I'm going to just take this cap off. It's so important that the internal components are lubricated and remain lubricated. And there's something else that I like to do, and it's this. I like to lubricate the bit before I use it because, well, those bits get really, really hot. They take a lot of punishment, and lubricating the bit will prevent wear. All right, I think I've done a pretty successful job of chipping the concrete away, so at least I know now that the cabinets will lie flush. It's a good idea to wipe the excess lubricant off before you store the bit for next time. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.